Welcome to Lorne House, a remarkable residential project located in Lorne, Victoria, Australia. Designed by Hindley Co in collaboration with Allan Powell Architects, this house exemplifies a harmonious blend of modern design and natural materials, creating a serene coastal retreat. The facade is characterized by its clean, geometric lines and a thoughtful composition of volumes. Large windows and sliding doors punctuate the facade, providing transparency and a strong connection to the surrounding landscape. The design emphasizes horizontality, with extended rooflines and cantilevered sections that add to the dynamic visual appeal. Timber elements, including silver top ash cladding, are used extensively, offering both structural support and aesthetic warmth. The combination of these materials ensures durability while maintaining a connection to the natural environment. The linear floor plan gently descends along the site's natural topography, with living spaces oriented towards the ocean to capture panoramic views. Upon arrival, guests are led through a landscaped pathway that gradually reveals the stunning vistas. The entry leads directly into the central lounge area, promoting a casual and welcoming atmosphere. Private areas such as bedrooms are strategically placed to offer seclusion while maintaining visual connections to the outdoors. The extensive use of glazing allows daylight to flood the interior spaces, creating a bright and airy ambience. High-level windows beneath the elongated gable roof introduce additional light and enhance the sense of openness. Externally, silver top ash timber cladding and concrete blockwork are predominant, chosen for their resilience and low-maintenance properties. Internally, the use of silver top ash timber continues, with timber flooring and ceilings adding warmth and texture. These materials not only provide aesthetic appeal but also contribute to the home's sustainability and longevity. The interior design embraces a minimalist approach, allowing the natural beauty of the materials and the surrounding landscape to take center stage. Custom-designed furnishings and fixtures complement the architectural language, with a focus on comfort and functionality. The neutral color palette is accented by subtle textures and finishes, creating a serene and cohesive living environment. The landscaping is designed to integrate seamlessly with the native vegetation of the coastal site. A carefully curated selection of indigenous plants enhances the natural beauty and provides a low-maintenance garden that thrives in the local climate. The outdoor spaces, including the entry pathway and surrounding decks, are designed to offer tranquil settings for relaxation and to frame the stunning ocean views. Lorne House stands as a testament to thoughtful design that harmoniously blends modern architecture with the natural environment. Through its careful consideration of form, materials, and site context, the house offers a tranquil and enduring coastal retreat that celebrates both functionality and aesthetic beauty.